Well, hi there, and welcome to BSF Recovery Team. We got a little bit of a dilemma here, and well, we'll tell you about it. Now, I'm not complaining by any means, but let me tell you about the reality of our YouTube business. Oh, I'm just talking to our people here.
Oh, hi guys.
Yeah. As you know, we do our recoveries for free, and so all of this is out of pocket, funded by the YouTube channel. We don't do a lot of advertising.
We don't do giveaways.
Yeah, we don't do the giveaways or anything like that. I mean, we do have Harbor Freight, and they help us out with a lot of equipment for the shop, which is fantastic. And we do have Yankum Ropes, who we do have a discount code for, BSF10. So if you need a Yankum rope, use our code, please.
We also have Max Peeting.
Yes, and we have Max Peeting. They're a recent helper out. They've been supplying us with parts.
For Blondie.
Yes, for Blondie. And we do have a discount code for them, recovery. So that's for 10% off, and that's wonderful. I forgot to mention Adam's drive shaft and our tech. But we have a little bit of a dilemma. We don't have enough money to bring a lot of merchandise to Sand Hollow. So I'm not complaining, but we have a lot of expenses, namely
this truck.
So that's why we're only bringing a limited amount of merchandise with us to Sand Hollow. It costs a bunch for inventory. That's why it's very important that you buy your supporter package, either Blondie or the Red Record, because we won't have them at Sand Hollow. So go to our website, bsfrecoveryteam.com, scroll down and find the spot that says buy your merch here and click on that. So with that being said, why do we go to Matt's record games every year? Well, it's because he invites us. And I expect that's because he considers us the OG. And we go to the mecca of off-roading to meet you guys, to meet our fans.
Yeah, and it's a chance to hang out with our friends.
Well, yeah, that too. Okay, that's enough of that. We got to get to working on Blondie here. We'll button up our rear diff cover and fill it full of fluids. I still don't know if it's going to be running when we bring it to Sand Hollow.
What are you talking about?
Whether or not Blondie's going to be running.
Oh, I forgot to tell you.
Yeah?
A friend of ours called me last night.
Yeah?
And there might be this Saturday something special for me coming.
Okay. What's that?
Maybe my gas tank.
Oh, well, that would be nice.
So, yeah.
Okay, we gotta finish mounting our brake line. Right about there.
Can I use this bolt? Huh? Can I? Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. I guess you can use that bolt.
gonna put fluids in?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, let it sit for a minute because it's got to fill all the way out to the wheels. Okay, so we got to tip it both ways. We're going to tip it that way first. We got a block of wood on the floor. We'll set it down. And we do that to get the fluid all the way out to the hub and fill up the hub. And then we'll tip it the other way and we'll fill up the other hub. And then we'll top off the fluid again.
Okay.
We do that when it's dry.
Okay.
Good. Okay. Put it back in.
Okay. So she's full.
Yep. So fill that one up.
And you gotta do the same?
No.
Oh, okay. All right.
No, the only one we have to tip is the rear axle.
You see right here. Watch. When you go down,
Yeah.
you got all the moves. I'm at 5.
Oh, there it comes.
Lordy. It's gonna be messy.
Yeah.
Oh. All right.
Okay.
Snug as a bug in a rug.
Okay. Oh, lots coming out.
I know. Ooh. There we go.
Yes, all the fluids are full, although we are going to have to take these apart, the front and rear differential apart, because they're 410 gear ratios and they're open differentials right now.
Okay.
So eventually we will be changing the gear ratio and putting lockers in.
Yeah, down the road.
Right.
Right now, she's fine. She's got fluids.
Yeah, that's what we need for now. What do you got? Oh, that's right. I have to paint our name on the side.
Yes, please.
Okay. Oh, something like that. Just temporary. Till we can get it painted yellow. Then actually do it correctly. But I think that's a job for tomorrow. Well, it's a new day and we have to start painting the door on the wrecker, both doors. We got to try and blend this. This is going to get a little tricky. And we have to cover up our BSF because that gets to be red. Now we'll see if tape will hold it on the door. I can't hold it there. Not straight anyway. Well, let's see. Pretty close. That looks pretty straight. Okay, now will it flex?
What are you doing?
trying to set this up to paint your door, but I'm worried about how far away the bottom is. More tape. That looks pretty good. That looks much better.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Well, totally amateur job. Don't tell Robbie. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, it's already starting to run. That run doesn't matter. Those do. Well, we'll let that flash over and we'll hit her again. Okay, time for a second coat. Oh, big run. There, that's good enough. That'll do. Let that dry. Okay, now we gotta unmask our letters and mask up our hash marks. Okay, now we don't screw this up too bad. Good thing this is only temporary. Let that flash over, and then we'll hit it again. Okay, one more time. There we go. Let that dry, and then we'll see how it looks. All right, it's dry. Let's take this off. We will see how it looks. Well, that didn't turn out all that good. Oh, not good at all.
Oh, it's okay. It says BASF recovery.
Yeah.
It'll be fine. It's gonna be repainted anyways.
Well, yes, it is. But boy, I'm not very good at that. Should have had Robbie do it.
Well, I'm hoping to have Robbie paint the whole thing.
Well, it's a good thing it's only temporary. We'll try and do it on the other side. We'll try and do better. Well, we'll see if we can screw this up as bad as we did the other side. I don't know that I'll ever be good at this. I just know less paint is better. Well, that'll have to do. All right, time to unmask our BSF. mask off our top half. Okay, I guess we're ready. Less is better.
Yeah. Hey, guess what I did?
What?
I cleaned your tow truck. I washed the undercarriage so you can see where you have to grease and everything.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Well, it's dry. Well, that looks a little better. Well, I guess the name's on the truck. That's the main thing. All I can say is it's a good thing it's temporary. Well, I guess we better leave the painting to somebody else. Thanks for watching. BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling. Be safe out there. And maybe we'll see you in the woods. Well, maybe I can do this without screwing up. Maybe not.
I need a bolt. Can I have a bolt? Blondie needs it. No?